Hi everybody, I had to make this video. It's getting ridiculous. If you ever watch YouTube, um, some of them, they get 1,000 or more subscribers and they're starting to make a paycheck from Google, and they must run out of ideas or get lazy, and they figure they have to make a video every single day, so they start making videos on anything, including like this one guy. He made a video, 5-minute video of him going into a grocery store and buying ramen noodles. And people actually, he had like 200 hits in 2 hours. I don't know if they watched the whole video, but, it's just, I don't know. If I ever started doing that, I hope everyone would unsubscribe. And then there's other people, like, they always have to brag about themselves, like it's somehow, I don't know, they're hip or something. There's a couple of them that they claim to be, oh, I'm a vegan, and I'm a vegan because I want to save the planet, when they just a week before had made a video about going into a vegan grocery store and buying dehydrated cauliflower and broccoli pre-packaged in a plastic bag and probably shipped in from 500 miles away. How is that saving the planet? I mean, there's vegans and then there's fake vegans. I think that's a fake vegan. Anyway, that's my rant. Thanks for watching. Hey, maybe I can get a lot of hits on this video. This stupid video that I just made. I do realize that I don't make great videos or anything, but I'm not doing it for... It's like people on Facebook posting stupid things about their day. Even, I don't know. This rant's going too far. Thanks for watching.